Okay, so today on Out in the Barn, we're going to go over how we're installing a LVA Wicker Bill spoiler onto the GT350 spoiler that we put onto the Mustang. I apologize, it's been a long time since we made a video. Actually, we filmed stuff, it's just a matter of editing it. We're in such a hurry to try and get everything on the car, getting ready for different shows. So we're going to go through just a quick video today on how we installed the LVA Wicker Bill spoiler onto the car. Okay, so in the kit they're going to give you the spoiler as well as the necessary hardware to install it. What they don't tell you is, or what we didn't realize, is this insert is a M6. Now in the details they do tell you it's an M6. So what they don't tell you in the kit is that your standard threaded rivet gun is going to come with your standard sizes, so 1/4, 20, and what have you. So when you go to thread this onto there, it's not going to work, and you can't find what you need at your local hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards. We checked all of that. We actually had to go to Grainger, buy the whole kit all over again with the metric sizes in there. So you're not going to be able to run down to Menards or Harbor Freight or any of that, at least here in the Midwest. So this gun would not work for us. We actually had to go out and get one that has a metric in order to be able to install this insert into the spoiler. So what we're going to use today, we've just got a pilot hole to start, then it's a 3/8 drill bit that we use to drill the final hole, a clamp, and just some painter's tape. Okay, so all we did is you're going to line this up where you want to have it on the spoiler, and then we just use the painter's tape in order to be able to clamp this onto there without leaving a mark or anything. And then we started off with the smaller drill bit to drill a pilot hole, so that way it was centered, and then we went to the larger one. Right here we were fairly close to the paint, so we put some painter's tape there. But so we started off with the smaller one, went to the larger one, and then again with using that clip, it allows it to hold everything up there. You can get the spacing right, and it just was the easiest way that we were able to do it. That's good. All right, so there it is. Pictures don't do it justice, but that is what it looks like. It turned out really well. I don't know if we're going to leave the center piece of plexi on there, but it really looks nice. If you got any questions, ask them in the comments. It was a little bit of a pain, especially doing those right there without having to remove the spoiler. But again, that's just because of our having it on a different year car. Alright guys, we'll see you next time.